Kevin here with Stellar. We are in Greece. We are at a property. We just got started a few days ago. The homeowner, originally when we sat down, we went through a lot of the scope of work and noticed the homeowner had multiple layers, cedar shake underneath. There was only one section on this whole roof, a very small section that had plywood and had been repaired in the past, but the whole house had 3 layers and cedar shake. That's 4 layers total. It took 3 dumpsters to clear this property up, and as you can see, it looks beautiful. The homeowner also had a cupola. We had to take the cupola down, bring it back up. We have black drip edge, cupola, perfect ridge venting. We also did our counter flashing on the chimney, 2 different spots. One is incorporated into a wall, but you will notice something that Stellar does that not many contractors do, right? We treat your home as if it's our own. We took the siding down. Cedar shake often leaves a gap on your property. Once you remove that many layers, the siding will have a gap. Well, we took the layers down, we took the siding down, and we wrapped the wall up with ice and water, creating a perfect watertight seal. We're on the back of the property. I was explaining to you how the home had multiple layers, and with cedar shake, those layers can cause a gap in the siding. And here our guys are wrapping up. They just pulled all this siding off, wrapped all of the ice and water up the wall, creates a perfect watertight seal. And as you can see, we never leave the gap unexposed. We always create a flashing so that you don't see that gap. It gets rid of that 2-inch after you have 4 layers removed. Even if you have 2 layers removed, you're gonna have a gap. So we like to take pride in our work. We do it right. We wrap it with ice and water. We create a metal trim piece, and we make the home look beautiful again. So it's fully complete here. They just put the siding back on. It looks incredible. So as you can see, another stellar job. We knocked this one out of the park. 4 layers, cedar shake, massive production here. Multiple chimneys that we had to counter flash, sealed the homeowner right, tightened up all the siding. Everything is back like we were never here. We do an amazing job protecting all of his landscaping. He had this structure connected to the home. We took that down for him, so it is no longer sitting attached to his roof. We reattached his cupola and his cameras for him. This homeowner is very excited. Again, another stellar job. We are very happy and excited to show you guys. Stay tuned for more. Thank you for watching.